Ever wondered how intricate shapes are carved out of hard materials? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of wire EDM. We'll be shedding light on the ins and outs of this cutting-edge technology and how Erodex, the industry leader, is making waves with their precision machining solutions. From understanding the basics to exploring real-world applications, we've got an enlightening journey ahead. So let's embark on this journey to unravel the magic of precision machining with Erodex. You might be wondering, what's wire EDM? It's an intriguing technology, and we're here to break it down for you. Wire EDM, standing for Wire Electrical Discharge Machining, is a marvel of modern manufacturing. This process uses an electrically charged wire to sculpt and shape materials with astonishing precision. Picture it as an artist wielding not a chisel, but a stream of electricity to craft their masterpiece. Now, why should you care? Because this technology is revolutionizing industries, from automotive to aerospace, and even medicine. Here's where Erodex comes into play, a pioneer in the world of precision engineering. Erodex has honed their wire EDM solutions to an art form, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with this technology. They've taken the science of wire EDM and elevated it to a new level of excellence. With Erodex, wire EDM isn't just a process, it's an art. Erodex isn't just a name, it's a symbol of excellence and innovation in the industry. When we talk about Erodex, we're talking about a pioneer that's been instrumental in shaping the manufacturing world. Erodex's commitment to innovation is unwavering, as they consistently strive to push the envelope and set new standards in the field. They've taken the world of wire EDM by storm, transforming it from a novel concept to a formidable force in precision machining. Their wire EDM solutions aren't just products, they are testaments to Erodex's vision and dedication. From the very start, Erodex has been driven by a desire to create the best, and this passion is evident in their work. They've perfected the art of precision through meticulous attention to detail and an unwavering commitment to quality. Erodex isn't just part of the wire EDM conversation, they're leading it. When it comes to wire EDM, Erodex has indeed mastered the art of precision. Erodex's wire EDM solutions are a cut above the rest thanks to their advanced features. Now, what do we mean by advanced features? Buckle up, as we're about to delve into the standout aspects that make Erodex's wire EDM a game changer. First off, Erodex's advanced control systems are worth noting. In the world of precision machining, control is everything. It's the difference between a piece that fits perfectly and one that is a millimeter off. That's where Erodex's advanced control systems come in. They're designed to provide an unprecedented level of accuracy in machining, ensuring that every cut, every groove, every detail is exactly as it should be. But Erodex doesn't stop there. Their wire EDM solutions also boast an impressive range of wire diameters. This means that whether you're working on a large-scale project or a tiny, intricate component, Erodex's wire EDM has got you covered. Their wire range can cater to the most demanding requirements, allowing for multiple cutting speeds and finishes. Moreover, Erodex's wire EDM is all about efficiency, and their high-speed machining capabilities are a testament to this. They've optimized their process to ensure that regardless of the complexity of the project, the machining time is kept to a minimum. This not only saves time but also contributes significantly to cost effectiveness. Let's not forget about versatility. Erodex's wire EDM is designed to handle a wide array of materials, from the toughest metals to the most delicate alloys. This adaptability makes it a go-to solution for various industries, from aerospace to medical technology. Lastly, Erodex's commitment to innovation is evident in their continuous system upgrades. They're always on the hunt for ways to make their wire EDM solutions even more efficient, precise, and user-friendly. This means that when you choose Erodex, you're choosing a solution that will keep evolving with the times. With Erodex's wire EDM, precision is not just a promise, it's a guarantee. So whether you're a seasoned professional or a newbie in the field, Erodex's wire EDM solutions are tailored to meet your needs, taking the concept of precision machining to a whole new level. Now that we've talked about what wire EDM is and how Erodex excels at it, let's see where all this technology comes into play. The beauty of wire EDM is its versatility. This isn't a one-trick pony, it's a technology that can be adapted to a multitude of industries and applications. For starters, let's look at the automotive industry. The precision required to manufacture car components is immense, and that's where wire EDM shines. It's used to create everything from engine parts to intricate molds for bodywork. And with Erodex's advanced control systems, the precision and accuracy are second to none. Next up, the aerospace industry. When you're dealing with aircraft, there's no room for error. Erodex's Wire EDM solutions are trusted to manufacture critical components, from engine parts to navigation systems. But it doesn't stop there. In the medical field, Wire EDM is used to create everything from surgical instruments to intricate components for medical devices. And in the electronics industry, it's used to manufacture tiny, complex components, with Erodex's technology ensuring unparalleled accuracy. Even in the world of fashion, Wire EDM has found a place, being used to create intricate jewelry designs and watch components. And let's not forget the mold and die industry, where Wire EDM is used to create complex precision molds. The versatility of Erodex's Wire EDM technology truly knows no bounds. But don't just take our word for it, let's hear from some of the success stories. To truly understand the transformative power of Erodex's Wire EDM solutions, we need to turn to the people who use it every day. Their stories speak volumes about the impact and efficiency of this technology. First up, we have a small machine shop based in the heartland of America. Struggling with outdated equipment, they were barely keeping up with demand. Then they discovered Erodex's Wire EDM solutions. The result? A significant boost in production capabilities, with precision and quality that left their competitors in the dust. The shop owner said, "Implementing Wire EDM technology from Erodex was like flipping a switch. Our productivity skyrocketed, and so did our confidence." Next, let's jet off to a large-scale manufacturing facility in Germany. Their challenge? Producing incredibly intricate components for the aerospace industry with absolute precision. Enter Erodex's Wire EDM. The outcome was unprecedented levels of accuracy, reducing wastage and significantly increasing efficiency. The facility's chief engineer remarked, "Erodex's Wire EDM solutions have been a game-changer for us. The precision we've achieved is nothing short of extraordinary." Lastly, we have a success story from the medical devices industry. A leading manufacturer in the UK, faced with the daunting task of crafting intricate components, found their solution in Erodex's Wire EDM. The precision and consistency they achieved were unparalleled, leading to safer, more reliable medical devices. The manufacturer's spokesperson said, "With Erodex's Wire EDM, we've taken our manufacturing capabilities to the next level. It's truly remarkable." These stories are just a glimpse into the transformative power of Erodex's Wire EDM solutions. They paint a picture of a technology that empowers businesses, fuels innovation, and fosters success. From small shops to large-scale manufacturing facilities, from America to Germany to the UK, Erodex's Wire EDM is making waves in the industry. With Erodex's Wire EDM solutions, success isn't a possibility, it's a reality. As we wrap up our journey into the world of Wire EDM with Erodex, we hope you're as inspired by this cutting-edge technology as we are. We've navigated the intricacies of Wire EDM, marveling at how a thin, electrically charged wire can bring about such precision and detail. We've also highlighted Erodex's role as a pioneer in this realm, with their unwavering commitment to innovation and excellence. From advanced control systems that ensure unmatched accuracy to a wide range of applications across numerous industries, Erodex's Wire EDM solutions stand as a testament to the power of precision engineering. We've heard success stories that echo the transformative impact of these solutions on businesses, large and small. In the grand scheme of things, it's clear that with Wire EDM, we're not just talking about shaping materials, we're talking about shaping the future. Remember, with Erodex's Wire EDM, you're not just shaping materials, you're shaping the future. If you enjoyed our journey into the world of Wire EDM with Erodex, we've got plenty more in store for you. Feel the pulse of innovation by hitting that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell. We're all about sparking conversations, so don't hesitate to drop your thoughts or experiences with Wire EDM in the comments section. Let's keep this tech dialogue going. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of technology with us. Thanks for tuning in.